Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning to all. Bonjour à tous. Et maintenant, commençons la cour. So, yes, so in the last class, what we discussed, so I think we discussed about imperative form. How do we construct imperative sentences in French? Okay, so I think we have solved the questions on the same on the imperative sentences. Did we discuss the questions on the imperative sentences?
So we were doing adverbs in the last class and we had to do the exercise in
Yes,
this
sir.
class.
Okay, and we did the exercise on the same on the adverbs.
No, sir, we had to do it in this class.
But have we completed the adverb topic?
Yes, sir.
It is completed. Okay, so right away we are going to discuss the exercise. Okay, exercise on the adverb. So I'm just sharing my screen to show you the document on the same. So I think it's visible now. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
here
sir.
describing the actions, adverbs of manner. Okay, so as we discussed, we can make the adverbs in French. Okay, by taking the feminine form of the adjective. Okay, like slow, slowly. Okay, okay, intelligent, intelligently. So in English we put ly. Okay, after the adjective, but in French we have to put ment. Okay, but before putting ment, we have to take the feminine form of the adjective. Then we have to put ment. Okay, that's it. For example, here we discussed these examples already. Okay, long, lentement. Okay, complet, complètement. Attentif, attentivement. Honnête, honnêtement. So long, slow, lentement, slowly. Complet, complete, complètement, completely. Attentive, attentive, attentivement, attentively. Honest is honest, honnêtement, honestly, honestly. Okay. So what did you learn? Okay, we have to take the feminine form of the adjective, then we have to put ment after the adjective. Okay, then we discuss about a double ment or e double ment. Okay, if the words are ending with ant, okay, like constant is ending with ant, so the ending ant has to be converted into a double ment. Okay, for example, constant constamment, consistent consistently, or constant constantly, evident evident. Okay, evident, so it is ending with ent, so the ending ent will be converted into the e double ent, evidently, evidently. Okay, and for masculine adjective which are already ending with I, okay, they are ending with I, E, U, okay, so the ment ending is added directly. Okay, so those are ending with I, E, or Q, the ment ending will be added directly, you don't need to take the feminine form. Okay, so here is the exercise on the same. Here you have to convert these adjectives to the adverb. Okay, so this question is here, you can see. Okay, so you can see here the questions on the adverb. Ok, so question is given here. Trouver l'adverbe correspondant aux adjectifs qui font. Okay, so find out the corresponding adverb to the given to the following adjectives. Okay, so these are the adjectives. You have to convert them into the adverb. Okay, so before that you have to take the feminine form of each adjective. Like we have safe here. What's the meaning of safe here? Serious. You need to make it.
Sir,
You have to convert safety into the female form. How do you make it? S E R I.
EUSE.
Okay, it is now Sapiens. Its female form. Then you have to put ending M E N T. Okay, it has become now Sapiens more seriously. Okay, so you will do the same thing with Prestia. Okay, so we have the more examples here like John T. Okay, what's the meaning of John T? Gentle. So you will take the female form. No, it's exception here. I will not do this one. Uh, I will do okay. Okay. For example, habitual. So you will take the female form habitual. Okay, habitual, the female form, and then put ment. Okay, habitual more, habitually, habitual more, habitually. So you have to try the question number one, and after that you have to try the next question. Okay, so you have to try question number one. Okay, one. Then after that you will do the question number two also. Okay, it's question number two. The question number two, you have to form the adverb from the given adjective. Like say voyage sont fréquents. His journeys are frequent. Okay, so il voyage, he travels frequently. So you have to convert this frequent into the frequently. You have to make it adverb. Okay, so frequent has to be converted into the adverb. How do you make? FREQ, it's ending with ENT. Okay, it's ending with ENT. So UE, then double M ENT. It's answer here, fréquemment. Okay, se voyage sont fréquents, il voyage fréquemment. His journeys are frequent, so il voyage fréquemment. He travels frequently. Okay, so you have to try this question. Then, like cet homme est prudent, this man is prudent. Okay, prudent is in French cautious. Okay, cautious, somebody who is careful. Okay, il conduit, he drives cautiously. Okay, so what should be answer here? Prudent. You have to
Double
convert
M
into that verb. Prudent. Yes. How do we make it the adverb for prudent?
So double M ENT.
Double M E N T. Prudamo. Okay. Prudamo, prudently. So you will try question number one and two. Okay. question number okay, question number 2, and A and B part. B part is same thing. You have to convert the adverb which are given in the brackets, okay, into the adverb. So you will try these 3 questions now. Okay, third question you will do at home. Okay, you will try question number 1 and 2. Okay, question number 1 and 2 right away. But I think you have understood what you have to do in the question number 1 and 2. It's clear now to all of you. Oui, c'est clair à vous?
Yes,
Oui,
sir.
c'est clair? D'accord. Okay, and one more thing, you can see, okay, there are more than 300 students, okay. So, okay, so the attendance, marking attendance is not difficult task, okay, for us now, because attendance system is very much automatic here, okay. Those who will not be joining the class, they will be, if they are not on the team, so they will be marked absent automatically, okay. System will not be taking your names, okay. So those who are present in the class, they will be only marked absent. So they will be marked present automatically. Okay, on Amazon, it's automatic system now. And when the session starts, and after starting the session, if you join the class, okay, a bit late, so even though the Amazon system will not be accepting your entry, okay, so make sure you will be on time and uh, and attending the classes, okay.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, do we have any WhatsApp group for this class?
I don't think so. Kunal?
Sir, I think you had asked someone else to make it and it hasn't been made yet.
WhatsApp group. Who will create the WhatsApp group?
Sir, should I make it?
Yes, Pallavi.
No, sir,
No,
confirm.
sir.
Yes, so sure, you can make the WhatsApp group and you can share the link, WhatsApp group link in the chat box. Okay, so those who are willing to join, they will join. Okay, that's for the classes schedule, etc. Okay, because we have to publish the extra classes. Okay, and we are lacking in 4-5 classes. We need to publish 4 more classes, 4 to 5 more classes. So so I think all of you are free today at 5:15. Are you free today at 5:15?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5:15, all of you are free. Good.
Yes, sir.
So that slot is something which is where you don't have the classes. And at 12:15, do you have the classes? At 12:15.
No, sir.
So Saturday we don't have any class.
Okay, but there are different. They are the students from the different institutions. Okay, so some of the students they have their classes also. But I'm just asking you, at 12:15, do you have your classes? If somebody
No,
has
sir.
classes, you can tell me.
No,
Yes,
sir,
sir,
we
we
don't have.
have one class.
You have your
Yes,
classes.
sir, we have one class at 12:15.
So hopefully the slot of 5:15 will be free
Yes,
for
sir.
all of you.
So
So no
I'm not
Yes, sir,
free at
5:15 is free.
late evening. Yes.
5. So I am not free at 5:15. Actually, I have some other work related to my internship.
Ria. So you do your internship in the evening.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but we have to complete the sessions also, no? Okay. If your session will not be completed, okay, so that is a major concern. So so you can do one thing, Ria. Okay, if you will not be able to attend the session, so you can watch the recording. Okay, and the recordings they are getting uploaded on the team. Okay, if you go to the file section, you will find the class material, the PPTs, as well as the recording sessions. So you can watch the record session for the class, Ria.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
sir,
What about the attendance?
Attendance. Okay. So you will send your name to me. Okay.
Okay.
actually, sir, I am also traveling at 5, so I won't be able. I won't be free. So, can we have this extra session in the next week?
Next week, but next week will be very delay now, Anand, because we
Yes,
don't
sir.
know there are other institutions and they are also publishing their classes, and when there is a large group, okay, and the students are from the different institutions, it's very difficult, okay, to arrange the slot, okay, in upcoming days, the institutions they are publishing their own classes even on Saturday, okay.
Uh, yes, sir. Uh,
But so that's why that is my concern to complete your sessions. Okay, I have to complete your sessions from my end.
sir, we can also have it at 8 to 9. Uh,
8 to 9, no, today in the morning.
no, sir. No, sir. In the next coming classes, we can have it
8 to
in
9
the
in the
morning.
morning.
Sir, we have class at
Yes, sir.
8 to 9 on Saturdays. We do have a class.
You have class at what time?
Sir, 8 to 9.
In early morning, you have classes on Saturday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So who are publishing the
Sir,
classes? They
from
are extra
8 a.m.
classes or they
onwards,
are
the
scheduled classes?
classes are.
They are regular classes. 8 to 9.
Sir, it's a MOOC course
Yes, sir.
Okay,
of
move course.
professional
Which subject? Ashwarya. For which subject?
professional ethics, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it's not possible for us to attend classes from 8 to 5, and then after 5, we also have your class. So that too on a Saturday.
Yes. What's the name?
Sir, you
Paki.
can take the
Paki.
class on
Paki.
Thursday.
I'm not willing to take your classes, but we are compelled to take complete the sessions, no? Because
So you
my
can take the class
will
on Thursday in FBL slot timings.
we don't the university is not giving the slots, okay, and we have to arrange the slots from our end, okay. So we are compelled to take the classes, okay, and nobody is willing to take the classes on Saturday, but we have to take it, okay, because they don't have the slots available,
Sir,
okay.
but a class after 5:15 is too much because it becomes so hectic to start a class from 8 a.m. onwards, and then we have classes till 5, and then after 5 also, and that too on a Saturday. It's not
Paki, you
possible,
will
sir.
discuss me this thing later on, okay, on the group.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
okay. So, okay, so first of all, somebody will be making the WhatsApp group and you can add me. Okay, and I think you have my contact number also.
No, sir.
So I will write my contact number after the class in the chat box.
Sir, I have your number.
So Kunal will share. So Kunal will share the my contact number.
Sure, sir.
So whatever your concerns have regarding the classes, okay. So you may share in the WhatsApp group, not here. Okay. So I think you must have solved these questions now. Shall we discuss the answers? Question number 1. Okay, we have question number 2. Prestia. What answer you have written?
So we'll remove the UX and then we'll add MENT.
So spell it out now. Preecie.
MENT.
You are saying
No,
this is
sorry.
the correct answer.
Go, go. USC.
PRECISE.
That's when USC.
P
Sir,
R
CISE.
USC.
yes, CIE, then USC. Okay, then USE. You have to make it female form. You have to convert Prestia into the female form, that is Prestius. Okay, it's a female
Yes.
form. Then put MENT. Okay,
Yes.
so you will have to be very careful about regarding the female form. Okay, feminine form has to be taken first of all. Prestia, precious more. Okay, preciously. Rar, RARR,
Sir,
rar.
MENT. MENT.
Rar form rarely. Rapmo, rarely. Rapid,
So rapid more.
A-M.
MENT.
directly
MENT.
MENT, rapid more,
MENT.
rapidly. But Jonti is exception
MENT.
here. Okay,
Sir, LEMENT.
L-E-L-M-E-N-T.
so yes, G and T I.
Double L.
Double
L-M-E-N-T.
I
You are
double
saying
L
double
Double
L.
L.
Now,
So double LEMENT.
okay. Kunal, what is your answer now for Jonti? Kunal, what's your answer for Jonti?
So Jontilmo.
This is the right spelling, Jontil. You're saying you're saying this one, Jontil more.
No, sir. It will not take the LLE.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
it's something else now. Yes, what should be
Jontimo.
T I then
MENT.
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 MENT, right? It's exception here. Okay, we are removing L and we are directly putting MENT. It's exception. Okay, it's exception. Jonti, Jontimo, gently. Okay, constant, constant,
C-O-N.
constant.
Constant.
MENT.
Okay, consistently. Sure,
S-U-R-E-M-E-N-T.
EMENT.
surely.
So you're not audible.
Yes, just for a second now. I have to charge my laptop. Just putting my short. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, I got disconnected. My battery got switched. So here is the document. Okay, so number G, Sirmo, and the meaning is surely. Okay, next is here Ray. What's the meaning of Ray? We are AI.
So
We
true.
are AI.
True.
M
True. Okay, how to say truly? Ray is true or real? Okay, so we are AI.
MENT.
MENT.
Directly MNT, don't
MENT.
E. Okay, so Vremo, really, or truly. Probable, probable. So probable,
MENT.
MENT.
Sir, MENT.
probable mo, probably. Regular, regular. Regu, here you have to put E. Okay, this E with the accent grave. E. Regular,
MENT.
regular mo,
MENT.
regularly. Okay, habitual, habitual mo, habitually. Concrete, concrete. It's not concrete. See, it's concrete. What's the meaning of concrete? Something which is solid. Okay, authentic. So concrete is something which is solid and authentic. So it should be CR E. Which E? With the accent. Okay, with the accent. And TE. Why accent? Because if the word is ending with ET, if the word is ending with ET, okay, so you have to put E with the grave accent of E. Okay, you have to put accent there. So concretely, concretely. Ordinaire, ordinary. Okay, ordinaire, ordinary. Okay, ordinary. So ordinarily. Okay, so how do you say? Ordi, ordinaire, MENT. Ordinairement, ordinarily. Okay, abondant, abundant. Okay, abondant, abundant. Okay, which is full of something. Okay, so it should be ABOND.
AMME.
Abondamo, abundantly. Okay, abundantly. Innocent, innocent.
So Inosa, double MENT.
Innocent, innocemo, right? Innocemo, innocently. Jolie, pretty, beautiful. Jolie,
MENT.
directly image.
MENT.
Jolimo, okay, beautifully. Okay, so I hope you got the answers now because some of the students they have given the right answers.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, as per rule, we change it into feminine and then we add MENT. But there were
Yes.
some exceptions also, like in gentle. So how will we get to know that there is an exception in this?
You're talking about gentle. The gentle.
Yes.
Gentle is the one of the exception, but you okay you don't need to know the other exceptions. Okay, because there are very few exceptions. Okay, and Jonti is one of the exceptions. So they will not be asking the other exceptions. Everything, any exception will be coming. That is Jonti. Okay, and length also lent length. Okay, lent length. You are not converting ent into e double ment. Long length long. So these are two exceptions that you have to memorize. Okay, for the example perspective.
Okay, sir.
Question number 2 is about here. Se voyage fréquent, il voyage fréquemment. His journeys are frequent, so il voyage fréquemment. He travels frequently. Cet homme est prudent, il conduit prudemment. This man is cautious, and he drives cautiously. Okay, so his driving is very cautious. Ses erreurs sont constants. His errors are constant. Elle se trompe. What's the meaning of se trompe? What's the meaning of se trompe? To be mistaken. Okay, se trompe is to be mistaken. Okay, to make a mistake, to be mistaken. So she makes a mistake consistently. So what should be answer here? CONSTA
MENT.
double MENT. Okay, so you will have to be very careful in the sentence because you could see. So they have just given the consonant in a different form. Okay, it should be consonant CONSTNT, but it is now here is agreement with ES. Okay, but you have to find out its original form, which is constant, then constamment, consistently. Number 4, sa réponse est violente. Okay, her reply is violent. So she replies back. She replies violently. So VIOLE
Double MENT.
double MENT. So you could see it's ENT. Okay, it's ENT. So Vielmo violently. Okay. Elle est méchante. She's mischievous. Okay. You're naughty. So she speaks. Méchante MECHA
Double MENT. Double
ENT double MENT. Méchamment, mischievously. Okay, mischievously. Elle parle méchamment. She speaks mischievously. So you have to try this question at home. Okay, the next question. But we can discuss this question verbally now. David parle l'italien courant. Courant is fluent. Okay, so it should be here couramment. COURAMENT. So David speak Italian fluently. Couramment. Okay. Je ne vais pas au marché. I don't go to the market. Quotidien. Quotidien. So should be here. Quotidiennement. Okay. So ये आंसर होगा quotidiennement. Okay. Okay, consistent. Quotidiennement, okay, daily. So Mary has a good education. Elle parle, she speaks very politely. So
MENT.
polimo, politely. Michel, number 4. Michel is the prudent man, okay. So he is a very cautious man. He behaves prudently. So ENT will be removed and EMMENT. So furthermore, prudently, okay, cautiously. Number 5, John is a very serious, hardworking colleague. Okay, John is a very hardworking, working person. So he works seriously. So remove X and then SE. Seriously. Number 6, je comprends tout dans la classe. Le professeur explique très clair. I understand everything in the class. The professor explains very clearly. Okay, clair. Put E, then MENT. Clearly. Okay. So these are the responses. Et alors, ce sont les réponses que nous avons trouvées, okay, pour l'exercice. Okay, so these are the answers. Okay, answers for the exercise that we have searched out for the exercise of adverb. Okay, so I think this is clear now about the adverb. It's clear now to all of you now.
Yes, sir.
Have we discussed the varieties of adverb, like adverbs of manner, adverbs of time?
Yes, sir.
But I think we have not solved the
Yes.
question on the same, on that.
No, sir.
So we will discuss one kind of exercise which can come in the exam. Okay.
यहाँ बैठ के मत चिल्ला, मेरी क्लास चल रही है।
Okay, so we discuss about the varieties of adverbs, adverbs for frequency, adverb for manner, adverb for time, place, quantity. Okay, these adverbs we discussed in the last class. Okay, so we already discussed the adverbs. Now we will have a question on the same. Okay, like adverb for frequency, parfois, sometimes, souvent is often. Toujours is always, rarement is rarely. About the frequency, okay? Manner, bien is well, okay, or finely. Mal is poorly, badly. Vite is quickly. And you know, amenity is about ly in English, okay? Adverb for place, isti here, la there, laba over there, park to everywhere, kelka par somewhere. Adverb for quantity, ase is quite fairly, boku is a lot, okay, a lot, pa is a little, small quantity, okay, throw is too much, okay, excessive quantity, three is very. Adverbs for time is aujourd'hui today, dama tomorrow, okay, year is yesterday, maintenant is now, tar is late, to is early, deja is already, enfin is finally, actuellement is currently, not actually, bientôt is soon, ensuite is next then, longtemps for a long time, toujours always, pendant, during, jamais, never. So you have to learn these adverbs, okay. So based on that, so there are some examples here. Okay, example here, aujourd'hui, je vais acheter une voiture. Aujourd'hui, today, I'm going to buy a car. Okay, today I'm going to buy a car. Aujourd'hui is the adverb here. Okay, adverb for time. Okay, elle arrive from demain. So they will arrive tomorrow. So here, demain is adverb for time, which is tomorrow, demain. Okay, next example, Ilami ton sac à dos là-bas. So he has put or he put your backpack over there. Next example, j'ai trouvé le livre ici. I found the book here. Okay, so laba was over there, which is the adverb for the place, and ec is here about the adverb of the place. Okay, so here is exercise on the adverb for the various adverb, on the various adverb. Okay, so choisir la bon adverb qui convient. So you have to choose the right adverb which is convenient to you, which is appropriate. Okay, so choose the appropriate adverb. So here is a list of the adverb here. Demain, tomorrow. Tard, late. Pendant, during. Ici, here. Assez, enough. Okay, fairly. Après-midi, afternoon. Toujours, always. Beaucoup, a lot. Jamais, never. Doucement. Doucement is gently. Okay, slowly. Très bien, very good. Okay, very fine, very good. So you have to put the right adverb in the blank. Okay, like we have question number 1 here. La dash je vais à la cafeteria. So dash I am going to the cafeteria. So you have to choose the right adverb from the list of the adverb here. So what will be the right answer? L'après-midi. L'après-midi, in the afternoon. Okay, I am going to the cafeteria. In the afternoon, okay, I am going to cafeteria. So answer would be here, this one, l'après-midi. This one is the first answer. Okay. Okay, number 2, il a été malade dash jour. He has been malade. What's the meaning of malade?
Sick.
Ill. He has been sick dash 2 days. So he has been sick for 2 days. Okay, for 2 days or since. So for or since are same thing in French. Okay, for 2 days, since 2 days. So it should be here. Demain, tard, pendant, ici, assez, après-midi, toujours, beaucoup, jamais, doucement, très bien. Which one?
Demain.
Pendant. He has been sick since 2 days. Okay. Okay. During 2 days. Okay. It should be during 2 days. Pendant, during. Okay. Number 3, j'ai un cours d'anglais. I have an English class. So which one?
Demain.
Demain. Okay. Tomorrow I have an English class. It should be demain. So demain will come in number 3. Okay. Demain j'ai un cours d'anglais. Tomorrow I have an English class. Number 4, il est dash on retard à se trouver. He is dash retard. Retard is late. He is dash late at his work. So he is
So always late. Toujours.
Sorry. Il est.
It could be never. So, jamais.
He's never late. But you know, you can't put never, okay, directly. It should be he is not never. फ्रेंच में क्या होता है न प्लस वर्ब प्लस जामे. अगर यहाँ पे आपको जामे लगाना है तो मेक श्योर द न विल बी कमिंग बिफोर EST. And na plus verb plus pa and na plus verb plus jame. So na is compulsory along with jame. When you're putting jame, you have to put any also, but any is not given here. So it should be affirmative form here.
Always. Toujours.
Always. Jame. Sorry, not jame. Toujours. It should be here. Toujours. Okay. Il est toujours en retard à son travail. He is always late at his work. Okay. He is always late at his work. Number 5. Luke ne dash la pont on la chaise. Luke is not there.
So here it will be jamais.
Jamais. Right. Why jamais here? Because na is given here. Na. N-E on an apostrophe. Okay. So you have to put here jamais. This one. Jamais is never. Luke ne jamais la pont on la chaise. Okay. Luke is never there when somebody looks for him. Okay. When somebody looks for him. Okay. Number 6, Paul dash punna Paul alवे. Speak dash. Okay. Okay. Speak dash not to wake him up. Okay. Speak dash not to wake him up. So not to wake him up. So here Paul. Do small. Slowly. Okay. Paul do small. Speak slowly. For not to wake him up. For not to wake him up. Okay. Number 7. Il parle dash anglais et français. He speaks English and French.
Sir, très bien, very good English and French.
Très bien. Très bien, and the meaning is très bien.
Sir, very good.
Very well.
Very good, very well, right. Il parle très bien anglais français. He speaks very good, okay? English and French. Number 8. Dash, il fait toujours beau. Il fait beau. The weather is always good. So it should be here.
Sir, easy.
EC, correct. What's the meaning of EC? Here.
Here.
The weather is always beau. Beau is handsome and good, pleasant. Okay. Here the weather is always good. Okay. Number 9. जब viendrai तब voir plus dash. So I will come to see you more. Plus more. More. Number 9. जब viendrai तब voir plus.
T-A-R-D.
Tard.
I will come see you later.
Plus tard. More late. You can't say in French later. You have to say more late. More late is later. Okay. जब viendrai तब voir plus tard. I will come to see you later. Okay. Number 10. J'aime la café. I love coffee.
Beaucoup.
J'aime beaucoup la café. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where is beaucoup? Here is beaucoup. Beaucoup is a lot. Beaucoup is a lot. Okay. J'aime beaucoup la café. I love coffee a lot. Number 11. Il a dash the cahier. So he has notebooks.
Assez.
He has enough books. Assez. Il a the cahier. He has enough notebooks. Okay. So these are the answers for the exercise of adverb. Okay, so I think the exercise is clear now to all of you about the adverbs. On the adverbs, it's clear now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so we will have the class in the evening at 5:15. Okay, so you just make a group.
Sir, could
You can just create a WhatsApp group
sir,
and we
could you
can.
please share these?
Sorry.
Sir, could you please share these Word files as well in the file
I
section?
will be uploading it now. I will be uploading on the team. Yes.
Yes, sir, and also adjectives which we did our exercises because there were list of adjectives which is not present in the PPT.
Yes, we'll share. We'll share.
Thank you.
Okay, so make sure all of you will be joining the WhatsApp group. Okay, and we will have a conversation on the group. Okay, about the class there. Okay, so Jauro Merci, thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Okay, merci pour votre attention et au revoir and goodbye. Et à tout de suite. Okay, à tout de suite. See you later. Okay, dans la soirée, in the evening. Dans la soirée. Oui. Au revoir. Merci.
Over, Professor.
Merci, sir.
Professor.
Messi, sir.
Mercy, sir.